Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Naomi Cowan tapped for single with Idris Elba. The Paradise Plum artist, who was one of the headliners at the Wind Down for Charity, a Down syndrome awareness charity event over the weekend, held at Audi showroom, told E Prime exclusively that she has a new track with UK actor, DJ and singer Idris Elba.
Yes, so I have a track coming out end of May, produced by Toddler T, with Idris Elba and General Levy from London. Super exciting times because for me as a Jamaican artist who has a lot of support in the UK, in Europe, to make music for that community, you know, with their sound, it's gonna be so different. You've never heard me like this. So I'm just excited about that. We're gonna perform it in London, promote it and just enjoy the ride. So many beautiful things are happening in my career overall, and next month I head to London to finish working on my album that will be out later this year. And I'm also performing on a festival called City Splash, which is a really big festival in East London, so I'm looking forward to that.
Along with Naomi, Grammy-nominated artist Jesse Royal was also glad he could give back to the worthy cause.
You know, it's important that we make everybody feel like, you know, Jamaica belongs to them too. You know, and because they're affected in whatever way, don't mean that anything is wrong with them. They stay functioning people, beautiful people. I have friends, and trust me, my experience with them, sometimes I have to remind myself.
The Small Axe, who was in the island to celebrate his birthday, also let E Prime in on his busy 2023 schedule since his Grammy nod.
I literally just coming back from Austin, Texas. We had a lovely headlining show out there, so we actually head on tour. We're going to Antigua and then we head out to the States. I think we got Cali, then Chicago, then like Rhode Island and Washington. We have a couple dates in the States, but we just have to stay focused and I try keep open the doors as well as try to maintain actual buying markets.
Beyonce squares off with the IRS for some $3 million. According to a release obtained by People magazine over the weekend, Beyonce filed a petition in court on April 17, contesting the U.S. Internal Revenue Service's IRS claims that she owes $2.69 million in taxes from 2018 and 2019. The 41-year-old singer-songwriter's legal team claims that the IRS made an error in not accepting millions in deductions, including $868,766 that was allegedly donated to charity in 2018. Her team noted that if there is an underpayment in her taxes, she should not have to pay it because she acted reasonably and in good faith. Beyonce, who herself has not commented on the issue publicly, was cited by Forbes magazine in 2022 as having an estimated net worth of $450 million. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedrian. Thank you for watching.